All right, guys, first break of the night, we're going to do our break number 2 of 2022 Hit Parade's 1957 Topps Baseball Graded Edition. So you got 135 boxes in the set. Every box gives you, I think it's 3 graded 1957 cards. You can obviously find Mickey Mantle. You've got guys like Hank Aaron and other big names as well. So every spot gives you 2 random teams from 1957. So I've got 8 spots altogether. Scott J's got 2 of them, Todd M with 2, and then Chris W closed us out with the last 4 spots. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize our teams. So this is break 2. We got break 3 coming up behind this one. And I'll look at scoring more boxes of this too. Although that Hit Parade Mickey Mantle edition is going to be fun. We'll do that a week from Monday. So you'll see that hit the website here before the weekend is over. Oop. All right, let's randomize this 5 times. So what's the deal with you guys? You got anybody traveling for Thanksgiving? You guys hanging out? Busiest travel week of the year. All right, guys, here are your listed teams. So, Chris, you've got the Giants, the Senators, the Orioles, the Yankees, the Tigers, A's, Cardinals, and Phillies. Scott J with the Dodgers, Red Sox, Redlegs, and the Pirates. And then, Todd, you've got the Indians, the Braves, the Cubs, and the White Sox. All right, box 121. Love some of these old card breaks. All right, here we go. First up, we've got a Rip Rapolsky PSA 7, and that's going to be the Phillies. Pretty nice high grade on that one. The Phillies is going to be Chris W. Nice, man. You're doing steaks for Thanksgiving. All right, next we've got a Ray Jablonski PSA 7. Going out to the Cubbies, which will be Todd M. Never heard of either one of those guys. And then I feel like I've heard of this guy, Del Crandall. PSA 6.5 for the Braves. That one's going to be Todd as well. All right, so nothing great out of that one. At least none of the big names we're looking for. We'll get those cards in the mail tomorrow. We got break number 3 coming up next.